Okay, in this next video here, we're going to be solving an algebraic fraction that has three components. The first component is here. Okay, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, now in order for us to work out this question, we need to work out what is the lowest common denominator. So 3 can be thought about as 3 over 1. So we have 1x and 3. So we have 1x and 3. And the LCM of 1x and 3 is equal to 3x. Now the reason why I'm looking for the lowest common multiple of the denominators is because I want to multiply by it. So if I multiply each item by 3x, that will help me to eliminate all the items in the denominator. You'll soon find out. Okay, so we look at the denominators 1x and 3. We determine what is the LCM, and then we multiply each item by that LCM. Now let's have a look at what happens now. So 3x times by 3 will give us nice and lovely 9x. So 6 times by 3x then divided by x, the x's will cancel. And that was the whole purpose, to get rid of the denominator and bring it to the top. So next one, so x times by 3x divided by 3. So divide that by 3, divide that by 3. So now we're left with 6 times by 3 is equal to x squared. So now we've got all the components required to make a quadratic equation. We've got the x squared component, we've got the x component, and we got the constant component. So let's get them all over onto the right hand side to make it look more like a nice happy family with a quadratic equation in it. So we have now x squared, the plus 9x becomes a minus 9x, and the minus 18 becomes a plus 18. So we need to obviously solve this, but before we solve it, we need to factorize it. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give you 18, and when you add them up will give you minus 9. So that will give you x minus 6 and x minus 3. Now that we've got the right numbers, we can now proceed to solving it. When we solve it, we have to make sure that each bracket is equal to 0. So x minus 6 is 0, so that means x will have a value of plus 6, which is the opposite of minus 6. And when you do the opposite of minus 3 for the second bracket, we will get an answer of x is equal to plus 3. So that's the end of that example. That example came from over here on the left hand side of the page of these questions. So the questions that we need to have a go at now is, for example, this question here. That one has 3 components in it. Actually 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's similar. And then we also got this question here. So let's have a go at those questions before we come back to this video. And then we can have a go at some more questions.